Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we have here 2005 Toyota 4Runner, and I'm gonna show you how to reset your maintenance lights. That basically means the oil light or oil change light in most cases. And the way you do it is you're gonna turn your key first on here and make sure that your screen here is in odometer, and we have a blinking maintenance light right here. And what you're going to do is you're going to shut it off, and then you have to, before you turn the key on again, you need to be pressing the reset button. And to do it again, you need to be holding your reset button before you turn the key on. And you're gonna watch this maintenance light there blinking rapidly and disappearing. And this is it. Simple as that. You turn the key off, and then you start the car, and the maintenance light here should disappear automatically. And that's it. Very simple and fast. Again, thanks for watching. Please like my videos and please subscribe. Thank you.